Yes, this question has something to do with fractions, right? Because we are given one fraction that has an x, and then they're basically asking us what is the value of 8 over x, or in other words, the flipped version of this fraction, which is also called the reciprocal. Okay, I probably spelled that wrong, but I'm not an English tutor, I'm a math tutor, right? So the key here is, how do we write 5 as a fraction? Well, any whole number we can just write as, the whole number over 1, right? Because let's just think about what it means for something to be a fraction, right? Say, for example, I gave you 4 over 2. We know that we could reduce this to simply being 2, right? Because 4 divided by 2, right? Because fractions are kind of like dividing by the denominator, right? Dividing the numerator by the denominator. We know that 4 divided by 2 is 2. So similarly, 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5, right? So we can use this to our advantage when we try to figure out what the value of 8 over x is going to be, right? So if I write this as x over 8 is equal to not 5, but 5 over 1, which still is 5, right? A little confusing, but hopefully that makes sense by now. All we got to do is, if we want to know what 8 over x is going to be, we just have to flip this guy. We got to make this guy go on top and the other one go on the bottom. The numerator goes on the bottom and the denominator goes on top, and then we get the reciprocal of 5, which is 1 over 5, and that is literally all you gotta do. So next time you see a fraction problem like this, when they are trying to get the reciprocal of something, you'll know how to do it.